morning, everyone, and welcome to our Set 3 speed sound lesson for today. Today we are going to look at the sound A. 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 Brilliant. And if I think of some words that have got our A sound in, I can think of sh, ache, shake. I can think of f, ache, fake. And I can think of ache, make. Good, right, let's have a look at the rhyme that makes up our A sound then. Are you ready? Oh, this looks just like me when I'm mastering up a banana bread. There are some children, well, there's a child and an adult here, I think, and they are having a really fun time, a perfect thing to do at home, and they are doing the activity of making a cake. So our rhyme is make a cake. Make a cake. Make a cake. Super. And if I show you the letters that make up our sound, can you think of them in your head? Yes, it's a split digraph. So we've got an A and an E, but this little line means that there's always at least one letter in between. So these two are special friends, but the A needs to find his special friends. And where does he find him? On the end. Good. So let's have a look. This side was A, and this side was make a cake. Right, let's see if I can catch you out this morning. Are you ready? Ready? Did I catch you out? I hope so. Right, I'm going to pop our A sound into our pack of sounds we should already know. And when you spot our A sound, I want you to point at the screen and shout A. Ready? First sound is... A. Did you spot it? Well done. Right, it's going back into our pack. Ready? First sound is... A. Super. Right, last time. See if you can spot it 3 times in a row. Back in our pack it goes. First sound is... A. Cool, that was quick, wasn't it? Well done, good. Right, I'm going to put our sounds down now. I'm going to have a look at our green words for our sound A. So remember, special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. My turn first. Special friends, A, Fred Talk, D-A, read the word, date. Your turn. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word, make. Well done. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word, shake. Super. Next one. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word, name. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word, brave. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word, wake. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word, cake. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word, same. Super. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word, game. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word, save. Well done. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Late. Fantastic. Right, this time Fred in your head. My turn first. Fred in my head. Date. Don't read the word till I push the card forward. Right, your turn. Ready in your head. Make. Shake. Name. Brave. Wake. Cake. Same. Game. Save. Late. Well done. Right, ready? Speedy reading of our green words. First one is date. Your turn. Well done. Right, I'm going to put a couple of words in from our sound from yesterday. Let's see if you are going to be able to remember what they say and read them for me. Put that one in there. Right. Are we ready? Off we go. First one is date. Your turn. Law. Law. Dawn. Super! Did you remember how to read them all? Well done. Right. Last thing to do then is to pop our aliens on. Ready? Good. Right. Ready? We're going to have a go at our special friends. Fred talk. Read the words for our alien words. My turn first. Special friends. A. Fred talk. D. A. Read the word. Dake. Your turn. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Plake. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Jate. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Quaid. Done. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Glate. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Flayed. Fantastic. Well done. Brilliant reading of our aliens. Let's take our aliens off then. Ready? Okay. Right, time to do our spelling. So can you get whatever it is that you normally do your spelling with to write with? And hide your Fred fingers from me, please. What one shall we start with today? How many sounds are in the word wake? How many? Show me how many. 3 sounds in the word wake. Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. W-ache. W-ache. Right, are we ready to spell the word wake together then? So first sound in the word wake is a W, letter name W. Then we've got A and K. To talk. At the moment though, that says whack. So that doesn't make any sense. So we need to find our special friend from the A. So where's the special friend? He's on the end and he is the letter name E. So tick for W, tick for A and a tick for K. Well done. You got all of those, super. Right, hide your fried fingers from me. How many sounds are in the word brave? Brave. Show me how many. 4 you should be holding up. Right, let's pinch the sounds together for brave and write them down. 1, 2, 3. B, R, A, V. B, R, A, V. Right, you ready? Let's write the word brave together. So, first sound is B, which is letter name B. Then we've got letter name R. Then our A sound. So we need the letter name A, then a V, letter name V. The moment that says brav. So we need to find a special friend for our A. So where's the special friend? He's on the end. Super. So tick for B, tick for R, tick for your A special friend, and a tick for V. Well done if you got that. That is super. Right, hide your Fred fingers from me. Let's do 2 of our review sound words now. So what one should we do? How many sounds are in the word dawn? How many sounds are in the word dawn? You should be holding up 3 Fred fingers. Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write them down then. Ready? 1, 2, 3. D, O, N. D, O, N. Right, should we have a go at writing the word dawn together? So, first sound in the word dawn is D, letter name D. Then we've got our O sound, 2 letters, 1 sound. They were an A and a W, yawn at dawn. And last sound in the word dawn is a N, letter name N. So tick for D or D, tick for your O sound, and a tick for your N on the end. Well done if you've got all of these right so far. If you need to tweak any of them to look like mine, then do that so you can remember for next time. Right, last word of the day. Ready? Hide your Fred fingers from me. How many sounds are in the word claw? How many? Claw. Show me. 3, I make it. Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write it down. 1, 2, 3. K, L, O. Write it down. K, L, O. Right, are we ready to spell the word claw together? So, first sound in claw is a K, letter name C. Then we've got a letter name L, and then it's our O special friend, A, W. 2 letters, 1 sound. So a tick for your C, tick for your L, and a tick for your O sound. Superstars if you got all 4 of those. That is fantastic. Right, what should we give ourselves today to celebrate our brilliant speed sound lesson? Let's give ourselves a tremendous. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tremendous. Super. Well done. Right, you can now log on to Oxford Out as always. Find your book, and I will see you tomorrow for some more speed sounds. Have a good day.